Have you ever wondered how you can create a movie or an awesome cutscene for games? Well, you have come to the right place, my friend. With the development of the technology, now you can easily create your own movie or an awesome story-driven game with Unreal Engine 5. In this course, we will cover all the aspects of how to create a movie or a cutscene from scratch, starting from the basics. So even if you don't have previous experience with Unreal Engine 5, you can follow along easily, covering everything from downloading Unreal Engine 5 to shortcuts and asset management. After that, we are going to deep dive and learn everything about Unreal Engine camera system and sequencer. I'm going to show you how to use camera rails and crane. Once we've learned all that, we are going to create our first cutscene. From animation to camera placement, particle effects, sound effects, all together combined to have a full cutscene. And as a bonus, I'll show you how you can activate the cutscene with blueprints in the game. So if you are ready for this journey, enroll now and let's get started.